Even if you're in the village, you can shoot my day in a village, my day where. I mean, shoot any video, any content. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Bonitah. Alright, if you don't know me, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining the team. If you're returning, thank you too. If you've not yet subscribed, please and please subscribe. It's only tapping that red button and that bell so that you don't miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading or I will be uploading. Please and please subscribe to this channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, you already know what I'm going to talk about. So let's say it. Can I make 5, 6? Yeah, 6 things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel. 6 things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel. So number 1, you don't have to wait to have a camera. Like, you don't have to be there and say, for me to shoot videos or to upload or set up my own YouTube channel, I want a camera. Like, when would you raise, if you don't have a lot of money, like when would you raise all that money to buy like the Mark 7X2, you know, those Canon, Sony? If you have a phone that you can shoot a video and it has a nice camera, please start with that, because please start shooting, edit, upload, you know, start right away. Don't postpone like that of how can I say, procrastinating. You know, when you procrastinate, if you come in that thing of procrastination, you'll never come to what you want. Start there and then. Start with the phone. Start with the phone, because the good cameras are way expensive, you know, are way expensive. So I urge you to start with what you have, and that's the phone. Because also me, what I'm using right now, I'm using a phone and I don't complain. I'm not complaining, and I'm just saving up for the camera. So the second point is that sorry, I just wrote my things down here, so don't mind me looking down here in my book. The second point is that shoot any content you have. Don't wait to go for the vacations. That I want to go for the vacation, that's when I will shoot and upload. And let me wait to go for the parties. Let me wait to have any events or nice places. Please shoot any content you have. Are you in the village? In Africa, you know, we have villages and town. Even if you're in the village, you can shoot my day in a village, my day where. I mean, shoot any video, any content. Shoot any content you're having. Don't wait for the nice content, like I'm going to the vacation with my sisters, my family, going to the parties. I mean, do anything as you're cleaning up the house, as you're cooking, as you're doing your skincare routine. Those are all videos. Those are all contents that you can get views and subscribers and an audience. Don't wait to get those good videos. So shoot any content you have, like anything, cleaning, washing, just shoot that, and you will just shoot that and you'll thank me later. Point number 3, be consistent. If you start a YouTube channel, please and please be consistent. Don't upload a video today and then uploading another video is within the 2 months to come, or uploading a video in this month then waiting another month. I mean, make it a routine. Make it a routine that in at least a week I have to upload 2 videos. Please be consistent in whatever content you're having. Make sure if actually you have to make it a routine, so that within a week, you say in a week I want to maybe upload 2 videos, so that you can make your audience get used to you uploading. They'll just know that, oh, my YouTuber has to upload this day and this day. Or if you can't really be consistent on days, make sure that you at least upload 2 random days in a week, so that you just get that audience, that good audience, and your channel will just grow and grow on a very good pace. So don't wait to say that, oh, I've uploaded now. I think uploading again. I'll upload in the next month. Who does that? Who does that? That's not good. That is not good. Upload consistently, please. Consistently. Consistency is key in on a YouTube platform. Can I call a YouTube? Can I call it a YouTube platform? I don't know, but consistency is key in life, in whatever you do. Not only YouTube, but consistency is key. Take note of that. You thank me. Point number 4. Yeah. So you have to know that when you're starting a YouTube channel, or when you're starting anything, you have to do research about it. You have to research how to go about it. Like, let me talk in a point of researching about YouTube before starting it. Make sure you research how to shoot a video, how to edit, what apps I use or software I use to edit the if you don't have a laptop, there are apps you can use to edit your videos. Everything. How can I do my thumbnails? How can I title? How can I do the tags? How actually YouTube researching about YouTube is never ending. It's never ending. So you have to research more and more on what you have to do on YouTube so that you don't get off topic. Research. You have to research everything about YouTube. Research and research and research. Anything. You can find anything on YouTube. You can research about YouTube on YouTube itself so that you don't get bored or you don't regret time to come when you've done mistakes that you can't reverse. Point number 6 is that you have to share your content. If you upload a video, share to your friends, share to your family, friends, relatives, your friends on Facebook, share on Facebook, Instagram, on any platform. Because if you upload a video, and more so when you're starting a YouTube channel, if you upload a video and see it, like, I find that views you want, my friend, and they will be few. You have to make sure people get used to you. Share to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, every platform. Share links. Tell them, please, I have a video. You can share, like, and comment anything so that they get used to you and they get used that, oh, share has a nice content, so that next time if you upload, they'll actually get. Next time you upload, they'll be at your back saying, we have to see this girl, we have to see this man, gentleman, she or he has a nice content that I can't miss out. So guys, this is the end of the video. You can like, comment, and subscribe. If you've not yet subscribed, please comment. So we shall meet again next time in my other videos. Please don't miss.